My Comfort is a trio of features aimed at giving you more control of your home's climate. My Sleep Saver, My Fan and temperature control. In this video, we're going to focus on My Sleep Saver and My Fan, which are available through the My Air tab. To access these features, please select Setup and then Options. My Sleep Saver will automatically change the mode of your air conditioning system from cooling to fan and continue circulating air through the house. This will save money on your energy bills during those hot summer nights. This feature will only be active between the hours of 10 p.m. to 6 a.m, perfect for suburbs with nighttime noise restrictions. When the feature activates, it will appear on the modes page. The second feature is My Fan. Located directly below My Sleep Saver, My Fan allows My Air to automatically adjust the unit fan speed to help control the airflow throughout your home. Once the My Fan feature is active, it will appear straight away on your fan slide bar on the main modes page. Select the Mode tab to find this. My Fan will now appear on your fan adjustment bar. If your unit had an auto fan feature, My Fan should now be replacing it. To operate the My Fan feature, slide the bar until it is highlighted. These two features are designed to help save the cost of running your aircon and also to provide a more comfortable environment in your home. To learn about the final features of My Comfort, view the temperature control video. For any other questions, please contact My Team Tech Support 1300 850 191.